Watch how I achieve this long-lasting makeup transformation look on my client's 50th birthday celebration. Hi besties, it's Tracy here. So in today's video, I'm starting off by cleansing her face with a baby wipe and a micellar cleansing water. This is basically to remove any dirt on the skin. So once I'm done, I will hydrate her face with the Kiss Beauty Fixing Spray. This is to give the skin more nutrients and to keep it more hydrated. So I'll allow that to dry down. So for moisturizer, I'm using the Blossom Moist Essence moisturizer. I'm applying that with a brush. Then I will also go back with my hand to further blend into the skin and make sure the skin absorbs it. Moving over to the lips, I'm using the Vaseline Lip Therapy to further moisturize our lips. Then for the primer, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte primer. I'm applying that with my hand all over the face except the under eye, and I'm blending that into the skin. And allow it dry down before I move over to the next product. Best is always allow your product dries down before applying another product on the skin. Thank you. So another trick, guys, I want this makeup to stay all day. So I went over with my setting powder and my fluffy brush and applied that all over her face, just a little. Then I will set it with my Skin Beauty Hydrating Mist. I'll allow that to dry down as well. So foundation, I'm using the Sylvimak foundation and a little bit of L'Oreal True Match. Guys, right now it seems as if it doesn't match with the skin, but just please trust the process. You know this foundation oxidizes a bit, so with time everything will blend. Just please trust the process. So once I'm done applying the foundation and I finish blending, for the contour, I'm using the V Beauty foundation in the shade Ebony to further contour the face. So I'm basically contouring below her cheekbone, her forehead. This is just to define the face and give the face more structure and to snag the face as well. So moving over to the blush, I'm using the Tehila Cosmetics blush palette. I picked up the red shade and a beauty sponge to apply that. Also blend. For concealer, guys, I'm using the Avour concealer. Apply that on her forehead and nose bridge, under her eye. So right now I'm telling my clients to look up so I'll be able to blend the under eye seamlessly. Guys, please don't pack too much product so it will be easy for you to control. Thank you. So to contour her nose, I went back with that V Beauty foundation I used earlier with a contour brush. This is just to give the nose more definition and to make it more snatched. So once I'm done, I'll go back with my beauty sponge to further blend in that nose contour and make sure there's no demarcation, no harsh line. So to further give the under eye more highlight or to make it pop up more, I went in with a little bit concealer as well. This one is lighter than the one I used earlier on. It's also Avour concealer, guys. Blend. So once I'm done blending, to set in, I'm using my Funaglamz powder palette. I picked up that yellow shade there, the light shade as well, to further set the under eyes. So once I'm done with my Funaglamz powder palette, I went in with the Merak setting powder as well to further set the under eyes and every other places I concealed. So once I'm done, I went in with my powder brush and to further set all over the face and to make sure there's no harsh line. So for the nose contour, I also went back with a fluffy brush and a darker powder shade to to further enhance the nose contour, like kind of a dry contour as well. So moving over to our dry contour, I'm still going back with a dark shade to contour every places I contoured earlier on. Guys, please, have you subscribed to my channel? Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you. So once I'm done, guys, I'll go back with my fluffy brush and further blending everything together to make sure there is no harsh line, no demarcation, and it's evenly blended, just as you see me do here. So once I'm done blending to seal up the face, I'll go back with my Kiss Beauty setting spray to further set the face and to remove any powdery effects. I'll allow that to dry down as well. Moving over to the brows, I'm using the Browmatic by Damel. It's a brow wash. This is just to control the hair and to keep them in place. I'm applying that with my spoolie brush. So to further bake the face, I'm still using that Merak setting powder in ginger to bake our under eye. This is just to catch any eyeshadow fallout. So moving over to the eyes, I'm using Clown White as an eyeshadow base, and I'm using a small fluffy brush to apply that all over the eyelid. Blend. So for the first color, transition color, I'm using that same powder palette I used to contour the nose earlier on. Then next off, I went on with that same powder palette but a darker shade to further deepen the crease line, and I'm applying that at the outer part of the eyes as well. To further deepen the eyes, I went in with a Sylvimak eyeshadow palette. I picked up the black shade there and applying that at the outer part of the eyes, blending into the crease line. Then I also mixed the wine and the gold pigments, shimmery color I mean, in that same powder palette. I'm applying that as an eyelid. So once I'm done for the pigment, I'm using the MK Beauty pigment. It's a gold pigment, guys. I'm applying that all over our eyelid as well. So once I'm done, I'm dusting off the excess fallout on the skin. So I'll go back with my fluffy brush and further enhance the dark eyeshadow. So for the mascara, I'm using the Polar Beauty mascara. Then the first lashes, I'm using the Wynk lashes, Wynk Beauty. This is me asking my client if the eye is poking out, if she's comfortable. She said yes, she is comfortable. So for the brows, I went in with the Davis pencil in 03. Please don't mind my short eyebrow. My brown pencil is almost finished, guys, but I'm still using it. Yeah, make sure it's sharp. So this is me just basically drawing what I know, because there is no brows, no hair in the eyebrow. So I'm just basically drawing what I know that will suit her face, and she said she wants a little bit arc. So this is me trying to give her that arc eyebrow. So once I'm done outlining, I'll go back with a black gel liner to further deepen that crease. Guys, please ignore the noise. Tell my children that don't open the door up and down. I'm sorry, guys. Please. Thank you. So I'm still using that gel liner to further deepen the eyebrows. So to outline or conceal the brows, I'm using that same Avour concealer I used earlier on to define or outline the brows. Then I went in with a foundation to clean the upper part of the brows. Once I'm done, I'll make sure I blend them very well to avoid any harsh line. This is me blending and make sure they match and they blend with the eyeshadow. Yeah. So I went in with a dark or a brown eyeshadow to smudge our under eyes. Over to the lip, I used the Imagic lip palette. I picked up the brown color to outline our lips. It with a precise brush, angle brush. I'm just lightly overlining her lips. Guys, please, have you subscribed to my channel? Please, if you watch this video to this point and you're not subscribed, please guys, subscribe now. Please help me share this video. Please comment and like, please, and tell me the kind of videos you want me to create, and I will gladly do so. Please help me to grow this channel. Please tell me what you want me to create, and I will do that, guys. Thank you. So once I'm done applying the lip, I went in with this dark brown. Should I say brown? I don't know the color this falls into, Sha. It's not brown, neither is it red, neither is it pink. It's just there, but this is just the first base. So I went in with this pinkish nude in that lip palette as well. I'll tell my clients to smack her lip very well, and I blend that with a fluffy brush. So I went back with that same brush I used earlier on to define her lips. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is the final look. Please guys, like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this video. Thank you.